everybody, and welcome to a very different video. Like a new video that we are going out of our comfort zones. Well, I'm going out of my comfort zones. I don't know how this series is gonna go down, but it's all gonna be fun. It's all gonna be fine. If you like a good DIY video, you know, and you love trying to find out how to make things, and if you love Disney and you really want to recreate some merchandise that Disney have, you might like this. We are currently in Italy as we speak right now, probably having the time of our lives. No, scrap that. We actually are having the time of our lives. It's going to be fun. So while we have fun and create those vlogs, I thought I'd talk to you guys and do a little DIY video. We're going to have 4 DIY videos out for you guys that are going to come out every Friday of this month in September. Normally it is a Chef Dave, but Dave is actually trying to plan ahead for Halloween. So expect that next month. It's going to be really, really fun. It's really exciting. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So if you're the type of person who loves a good DIY video, wondering how to make things and make things a reality and make things pretty awesome, you might enjoy this video. Or you might enjoy this video on a pure entertainment way, because I really haven't got a clue what I'm doing and I'm just hoping that it works. So what are we going to be making today? We are going to try and make one of these hats. That's right. I got this hat from Tokyo Disneyland and oh my life, it is the best thing ever. When we did our Tokyo Disney lookbook video, a lot of you were like, oh my god, I really want one of those hats. They are amazing. They are amazing. Like, you go into Tokyo Disneyland and you will see everyone pretty much wearing them. They've got black ones, they've got pink ones, they've got multicolored ones, you know, like the tie-dye ones that Jen has got. There's like holographic ones. Apparently there is a new sort of navy blue one, which wasn't there at the time when I was there, and that would have been really, really cool. So yeah, this hat is pretty unique and pretty awesome. A little bit expensive. I think it was around like £35 for a cap, which I think is a little bit excessive, but seeing as though that I've never seen one of these before and I loved it, it's just one of those things that happens in Disney and you end up buying it and it ends up coming home with you. So I'm going to go and see how I can recreate my own Mickey hat, my Pom Pom Mickey hat, with a normal baseball cap and some pom-poms and stick them on, and let's see what happens. I have not made a pom-pom since, well, since I was in Girl Guides. I think I kind of get what I'm doing. I hope it's going to go well. I'm going to show you all of my little tricks of the trade of what I have got. I'm going to be very confident with myself now and try and be a little bit more professional and say, yes, I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to go and get all of my apparatus and my materials and everything all sorted. And yeah, let's start this little project. Trying to get, oh. I think you're securely in now. Have I got my camera sorted? Are we focusing? Yeah, we're focusing today. Oh, the camera's working today. You can tell I'm very new to this and I'm so sorry. This is my workspace. I don't have another big workspace at the moment, so you just gotta bear with me, okay? I'm sorry if it's a bit messy. This is the Tokyo Disneyland baseball cap. It's got huge pom-poms here, like absolutely massive. And it's got the words Mickey Mouse on it. So I'm going to go and try and recreate this. Okay, so I have got, for my ears, I've got some wool here, which I don't think it's wool. It's actually 100% cotton. It's not wool. I got these from Hobbycraft, and these are 100% cotton yarns. Do you want to call them a yarn? To be honest, I think might actually be okay as long as it doesn't fray too much. This is going down well. And to match the grey pom-poms, I've got this amazing cap. Now I bought this in Primark for, how much did I buy it for? £2. It was actually at the beginning of the year that I bought it. I actually originally was going to wear it for Tokyo, but I completely forgot. and I've never really worn it. As you can see, the tag's still on it. I just thought to myself, if I'm going to create a Pom Pom hat, a Mickey Mouse Pom Pom hat, this will be the perfect hat for it. You know, you could use any sort of hat. So I think that's pretty much a nice little match. Let's go and try and make these Pom Poms. Yeah? Okay, got some cardboard. So to make a Pom Pom, you need to draw out 2 donut sizes. Now it's up to you what sizes you want to do. I've got a container here. I think that's pretty much a really good size. And then I need to draw the hole out as well. So I'm going to go and draw around my Mark Hill protective UV shield thing. That's not sponsored, okay? It's not sponsored. I just tried to find something with a smaller circle. So let's get a drawing, okay? Oh, that's not too bad. That's all right. There are my donuts. We hope I've got enough to cover these, okay? 2 and 2. Gonna wrap this around that. This around that. Let's get started. This could take a long time. Even my phone is going off, people wondering where I've got to. So I've completely cut corners right now to wrap about like 4 strands at the same time. Hopefully this is going to work, because it was taking a long time just individually doing it. I mean, I wish I kind of learned how to do this in the first place. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. 1 down. Time for this one. This was definitely a good call, because I would have been here all day, and this is just literally taking time off. It's lovely. Look at this. I managed to do this in record time. This is where this DIY turns into an epic DIY fail. By it, guys, I think we're done. Look. That's actually pretty cool like this. Should I just turn these into ears anyway, or stick them on the headband? But that'll be alright. I'm going to cut through the middle here so that I can tie this up. Why aren't you cutting? Like what they say on Art Attack. You guys can take more time with this. I'm just going through this to give you the gist of it all. I love Art Attack. And smart. Okay, right. Where is my bit of string? Oh, wish me luck with this. Need to get it in between there. He looks like a little animal. Are we ready for this? Obviously you guys can make yours a lot thicker. I only had what I had. Let's try and open these up. So open this up. There we go. And then you fluff it up. And then you Pom Pom. Fluff it up. There we go. Amazing fat. And then you can just kind of neaten off some loose ends. Give it a hairstyle. Down to the next one. I'm actually really excited now that that's just turned out like that. I'm like, oh, that's actually not too bad. That's okay. Find where the in between the 2 cardboards are. Just be really careful. Make sure, kids, don't play with scissors unless you're with an adult. Okay, we're gonna make this happen, everyone. It's gonna be fine. Everything is going to be okay. tight, 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 tight. There you have it. 2 pom-poms. I've got my hat. They're gonna look amazing on there. Yes! I'm gonna try and put these in. I mean, I was thinking super glue at first, but I have tried to like super glue pom-poms onto material before, and it can be very messy, and I don't really want to stick my fingers to anything today. So gonna try and do things properly and sew them up. Okay, so this one is right in the center of this bit here, so it's just there. I think that's the center. That looks all right. Found the loop. There we go. One on. Oh no, I've squished up my pom-poms. Just gonna give them a haircut. Fluff them up a bit. I've done my hat. Hey! Look at that! There you go, guys. If I can do it, so can you. How amazing does that look? And I've just transformed a hat into a Disney hat. Woohoo! I'm gonna try and wear these when I'm in Disneyland Paris for sure. That'll be amazing. Can't really wear this during the Disney run because it is quite warm. It is quite fluffy and warm. Yeah, but what do you guys think? Do you like it? So there you have it, guys. I've managed to create my own Tokyo Disneyland Mickey Mouse pom-pom baseball cap using an old cap that I had lying around, and I made some pom-poms, stuck them on my hat, and job's a good one. And it looks pretty awesome. It looks pretty awesome. I mean, yes, my pom-poms aren't as big as the real deal. Obviously, they're going to be better quality. I do think that anything is possible if you put your mind to it and you give yourself some confidence to do it. And it was quite fun. What do you guys think? If you did like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you've not already, click the red button down below and subscribe, and to make sure to smash the bell button so you are notified when we bring out another video. Really hope that you have a wonderful Friday, whatever you are doing, and I will see you all very soon.